Hey everyone, welcome back to Decode Diet, your trusted guide for real nutrition, not marketing gimmicks. Today we are diving into something you probably see every time you shop. Low fat, no sugar, sugar free, light, natural. But what do these labels really mean? And are they actually healthy? Let's break the marketing myths and show you how to read food labels like a pro. Why label reading matters? Did you know that most processed foods are labeled to sound healthier than they actually are? Manufacturers use words like light, no added sugar, or low fat to catch your attention, but that doesn't always mean it's a good choice. To make smart choices, you need to look beyond the front label and check the nutrient facts and the ingredient list. Low fat, what it actually means. Let's start with the low fat label. In the Europe and UK, a product labeled low fat means less than 3 grams of fat per 100 grams solid food, less than 1.5 gram per 100 ml liquids. Sounds good? Wait, many low fat foods replace fat with sugar, thickeners, or flavor enhancers. May still be high in calories, might not fill you up. Fat helps with satiety. So low fat doesn't always mean healthy. Sometimes it means high sugar or artificial stuff. Now move to the no sugar or sugar-free label. A product is called sugar-free if it has less than 0.5 grams of sugar per serving, but that doesn't mean it's free from sweeteners. Many products use artificial sweeteners like aspartame, sugar alcohols, natural sweeteners like stevia. These may have fewer calories, but they are not always healthy, and some can causing bloating, cravings, or digestive issues. Also, no added sugar is not equal to no sugar. Some products like fruit juice or energy bars are naturally high in sugar even without adding it. Always check the total sugar amount in the nutrient label. Other misleading terms include now let's decode more marketing tricks. Light or light means it has 30% less of something, usually fat or sugar, but less junk is still junk if it's ultra processed. Natural, not calculated, even sugar, salt, or chemicals can be natural. Organic, better for the environment but not always lower in sugar, salt, or calories. Multigrain doesn't mean whole grain, could just be a mix of refined grains. Always fill the packed checks. Ingredient list first three tell you the most. Total sugar not just added, fat quality not just amount, sodium often hidden high. Then how to read labels smartly. Here's a quick guide to read a label for weight loss and health. First check the serving size. Is it realistic for you? Second, calories per 100 gram or per portion. Compare wisely. Third one is ingredients, fewer and recognizable. That is equals to better one. Fourth one is avoid hydrogenated oils, high fructose corn syrup, E numbers in excess. Fifth one is look for fiber. Aim for at least a 3 gram per serving in snacks. Sixth one is watch sodium. That is under 120 milligram per 100 gram is best. Reading the label is equals to freedom from marketing traps. So next time you see low fat or no sugar, don't be fooled by the front of the pack. Be smart, flip it, read it, understand it. Because real health is not on the label, it's in the facts. Comment below what food label confuses you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest, science-based nutrition from D4 Diet, where food meets truth. Thanks for watching.